and I want to tell you that coffee culture in Zagreb is a big thing. If you want to get the gist of the Zagreb coffee culture, there's one thing you must understand. Here, coffee is not just a drink, it's an invitation to socialize. Here's the typical Zagreb coffee setup. You hook up with friends and you chit-chat for hours. There are no rules what goes into a coffee conversation. Believe me, Zagreb cup can take it all, even a little naughty gossip on the side. The important thing is that you drink your coffee slowly. Take a tiny sip and then go back to talking. And that's it. Repeat the sequence. For how long? It's hard to tell, but let's try and time it anyway. Now, it's 10:15. We'll be checking the clock again once I walk you through the basic rules of coffee drinking. You know, we almost never have coffee on our own. You'll be tempted to sit in a quiet corner and have coffee while you tap away on your laptop. But coffee and work don't mix well in Zagreb. You'll need to get into the leisure mode. Guzzling down your espresso at a bar, especially with no company, is downright eccentric. Why did I drink it so fast? When we drink coffee in Zagreb, it's all about connecting with people. Coffee itself comes second. But let's see if I can use some professional coffee lingo with a real connoisseur. Can you tell me what's the blend that you're currently serving?
We're serving our Tesla blend, which is seasonally sourced coffee that we roast freshly, and we make sure it's really tasty. It's definitely true that drinking coffee is a social enterprise in Croatia, but we believe if it's tasty coffee, the connections people make are even better.
Normally we don't pair coffee with cake. Because we can't talk so much without mouthful. When it comes to the typical coffee menu in Zagreb, you won't be spoiled for choice. Here's what you get. Can you see the size of that large coffee with milk? Let's measure it. It's 8 centimeters high and 6 centimeters wide. You have to make this last for hours. We never walk with a takeaway cup of coffee. Sure, you can get one in most cafes, but why? When we always make time to meet people for coffee. It's 2 p.m. We've been having coffee for nearly 3 hours. And that's the way you do it in Zagreb. You drink it with people and you drink it slowly.